Anime cooking ASMR is one of the fastest growing AI niches right now, pulling in millions of views with almost no competition. The crazy part? Most people think they take hours of animation and expensive software, but they're actually made with free AI tools in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step workflow so you can start creating your own today. Before we start, the master prompt used in these videos are completely free. Its link is in the description. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. First, let's go get the prompts. Go to the link in description. Copy the entire master prompt already prepared for you. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Then GPT will ask us to choose a character. You can choose male, female, or upload your own character. For this tutorial, I'm going to add a reference and hit generate. ChatGPT will give you 20 highly visual, ASMR-ready dish names to choose from. Pick the dish that excites you most visually. I'm choosing tonkatsu ramen, rich golden broth, bouncy noodles, soft boiled egg. Pure visual ASMR. So I will simply type one and hit enter. Then GPT will generate a highly detailed video prompt for our video. Copy the entire prompt and head over to Google Flow AI. Step 2. Sign in with any Google account, completely free. 3 settings to get right before you generate. First, make sure you're in video mode, not image mode. Second, video model. Select Omni Flash. This is the model that produces 10 seconds video duration. Third, aspect ratio, 9:16 vertical for TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Now, paste the complete video prompt we copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box and hit generate. About 60 seconds. That's it. And this is what people are getting millions of views with right now. And there it is, your finished AI anime cooking video. It looks smooth, cinematic, and incredibly satisfying to watch. The character, the cooking, the lighting, the tiny details, everything comes together like a real animated film. The entire process resets when you change the dish name. That's the only thing you change. Go back to ChatGPT. Choose another dish. Copy the video prompt generated by GPT and paste into Flow AI. Generate. 60 seconds. Another video done. 20 dish ideas in the free resource file means 20 ready-to-make videos. Now imagine creating an entire series of these with different recipes, characters, or even your own original style. The master prompt and the full dish ideas list are in the link in the description or comment prompt. I'll send them to you. Copy them. Your first anime cooking video is 2 minutes away. If you want to discover more viral AI niches like this before they become saturated, make sure you subscribe. I upload practical AI tutorials that help you create content people actually want to watch.